Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 9. This is Section 4.10, Problem 9. It says there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Part A asks how many grams are in 6,420 kilograms, and Part B asks how many kilograms are in 6,420 grams. So, start with Part A. What you want to do is start with a given amount, 6,420 kilograms, and I will abbreviate kilograms with kg. That's the standard abbreviation for kilograms. I want to convert that to grams, so I'm going to multiply it by essentially an unusual number 1. Same quantity numerator and denominator. I just have to make sure I put the amount in the denominator that will cancel the units that I want to cancel. So in the denominator, I'll put 1 kilogram. And in the numerator, the equivalent amount of 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And I can just put G for gram. That's the standard abbreviation. So now when I multiply that, what's going to happen is the kilograms in the numerator and the denominator will cancel. And the math that I have to do is 6,420 times 1,000. And my units of measure that are left are grams. G for grams. Now, big multiplication, but basically, since it's such an even number, you just put the 3 zeros from the 1,000 after the 6,420. So I put 6,420, 1, 2, 3 zeros. You could do it on a calculator if you don't know this trick. I can put in the commas. It's 6,420,000, and you don't just put the number, you have to put the units of measure. That's the whole purpose of this section. And that's in grams. You could abbreviate it, that'd be okay. But I'll write the whole word out in the final answer, grams. That's part A. Part B asks how many kilograms are in 6,420 grams. So again, start with a quantity that's known. So it's the same number, but different units. 6,420 grams is what you start with. Again, I'll use the abbreviation. I want to convert that to kilograms. So to convert to a different unit, I'm going to multiply it times a 1. I'm going to put the units of measure that I want to cancel in the denominator. Grams up here, grams down there. Now, the equivalent amount is 1 kilogram. That goes in the numerator. And now, when I multiply, grams in the numerator, grams in the denominator will cancel. And what I have is 6,420, that's in the numerator, and 1,000 in the denominator. And my units of measure will be kilograms. That's what's left. kg is the abbreviation for kilograms. Now, to do this division, again, huge numbers, but since it's mostly zeros, you can just, the 3 zeros in the 1,000 and the denominator will pull your decimal back 3 places, 1 place for each zero. The decimal is not written in the numerator. You can assume it's at the far right of the number after the 0. So you're going to pull it back 1, 2, 3 spots, and it'll wind up between the 6 and the 4. You could do that on a calculator too if you don't know that trick, or you think that's what it is but you're not sure. Just enter the numerator first, 6,420 divided by the denominator 1,000 equals. You'll get the same answer. So you get 6.420 kilograms. Now, traditionally, when you have a decimal that ends with a 0, the last position or rightmost position is 0, most people don't bother to write it. You certainly can if you want, but it would be more common to just write 6.42 kilograms. And again, I can just use the abbreviation kg for kilograms. So that's the answer to part B. The equivalent of 6,420 grams is 6.42 kilograms.